Welcome to the Leading Edge Certification, the Online and Blended Teacher. I am Mary Bennett, your instructor for this course. Online teaching and learning is my passion, and I am thrilled to be working with each of you as you explore this emerging model. I have been teaching online for 7 years, and am fortunate to be working as both an online instructor and an instructional designer. My roles allow me to work with faculty in the design and development of online and blended courses, as well as apply my knowledge as I design and teach my own courses. The Leading Edge Certification is a national certification program in educational technology and curriculum innovation, created by an alliance of nonprofits, universities, and educational agencies. LEC is the first national certification program of its kind, and its platform is vendor neutral. For this course, we will be using Moodle as a learning management system, and the content is delivered using SoftChalk, which is a content authoring software for educators. Leading Edge began in 2010, and the first course was launched in 2011. The certifications are delivered by eligible Alliance members, of which Fresno Pacific University is a member. Once you complete this course and submit your e-portfolio, you will be Leading Edge certified. This certification provides you with not only badges for your website and a certificate, but also membership to the Leading Edge professional learning community. All certifications are valid for 5 years and may be renewed by completing renewal requirements, which are set by your provider, which is Fresno Pacific University. Eventually, there will be 5 areas of certification offered by LEC. In addition to the online and blended teacher, certifications are in the works for the digital educator, administrator, teacher librarians, and professional developers. The course content aligns with the International Association for K-12 Online Learning, INACOL, standards, which were developed to provide states, districts, online programs, and other organizations with a set of quality guidelines for online teaching. INACOL offers an important tool to help teachers, schools, and parents across the nation evaluate quality in online courses and teaching with a guide for the implementation of best practices. The curriculum was adapted from the @ONE online certification program, which was developed for California Community College faculty and staff to learn about technology that enhances student learning and success. Upon completion of this course, you should be empowered with the skills needed to effectively facilitate online courses. In addition to the alignment with the INACOL standards, the course objectives meet the National Educational Technology Standards for teachers and students. Following are the course objectives. Compare and contrast the pedagogy of face-to-face, blended, and online instruction. Select and model a variety of online tools for communication, productivity, collaboration, analysis, presentation, research, and online content delivery. Plan and design strategies to encourage active learning, interaction, participation, and collaboration in an online environment. Demonstrate online leadership in a manner that promotes student success through regular feedback, prompt response, and clear expectations. Model legal, ethical, safe, and healthy behavior related to technology use. Create multiple paths to address diverse learning styles, abilities, and needs for accommodations. Design authentic projects, assessments, and assignments that measure student achievement of standards-based learning goals. Formulate solutions using a variety of student data to modify instruction. Collaborate with colleagues through the use of web-based technologies. Demonstrate appropriate use of technologies to enhance student learning. The course consists of 8 online modules. In each module, you will be posting to discussion forums and submitting signature assignments to your e-portfolio. All assignments are clearly marked. In addition to the LEC requirements, you will also be posting to your IEASC weekly blog reflections and several assignments to your Google Sites. Your final e-portfolio will be peer-reviewed, as well as reviewed by your instructor and one other LEC provider. This portfolio may be used for interviewing and career advancement. Module 1 will introduce you to the Leading Edge Online and Blended Teacher Certification course. In this module, you will learn about traits of successful online learners, identify technical requirements for the course, orient yourself to the course site, and get further acquainted with other members of your learning community by posting in a discussion forum. Module 2 will introduce you to the world of the blended and online teacher. While there are some obvious differences between online, blended, and traditional classroom teaching, many core elements and practices in successful brick-and-mortar teaching are also present in the blended and online environment. In this module, you will review academic research, be introduced to the skills needed to be successful in blended and/or online teaching, and compare and contrast online blended and face-to-face teaching. At its core, education teaches content knowledge, information gathering, and critical thinking. As the United States economy increasingly moves towards being based on information and services, more and more jobs, and indeed entire sectors of the economy, require that workers be able to acquire information, analyze data, and act on their newly created knowledge. Too many schools are still attempting to prepare students for this world without teaching within the mode that the students find when they move on to post-secondary education or the workforce. Online learning, whether at a distance or within a classroom, is a catalyst for change, as schools are using Web 2.0 technologies to engage students and enhance collaboration in new ways. In this module, you will learn how the use of computers and online learning in education requires a much larger shift in thinking than simply adding a few computers to the classroom. Truly blended learning requires that teachers approach their role differently, as guides and mentors instead of purveyors of information. Classrooms must be redefined as flexible learning environments in which students learn in a variety of ways while communicating and collaborating with others who are outside their school, and perhaps outside their country. Learning should go beyond the classroom walls and the confines of the school day. In face-to-face environments, a successful classroom community promotes positive social interaction and academic achievement for all students. A vibrant community is one where everyone feels accepted and connected, and where individuality is not only tolerated but also encouraged. Decades of research have linked student engagement to positive student outcomes such as retention, academic performance, and graduation. Maintaining student engagement in the online environment is just as important to the success of students. These days, many people are comfortable participating in an online community. In fact, active online communities are all around us. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and so forth serve to bring people together around a common interest. Students often spend hours on these sites because they feel connected through common interests, connections, and similar goals. This module will provide you with a background on community building in the online environment. You'll examine strategies for breaking down the barriers between face-to-face learning and virtual community learning, and explore the critical issues that contribute to student success in synchronous and asynchronous environments. This module will introduce a participant to laws and regulations related to making online and blended learning material accessible to all students. In general, teachers are made aware of student disabilities by the IEP, the Individual Education Plan. However, many students have disabilities that go undiagnosed or unknown, such as color blindness or impaired hearing. Teachers following the universal design principles are ensuring that all students have accessible curriculum. By the conclusion of this module, you will have reflected on your own accessibility practices and created a video assignment with accompanying captions and a transcript. Online and blended learning presents several unique opportunities for integrating content with 21st century skills. Combined with the fundamental practices of high-quality instruction, the online environment can produce academic results that are equal or better than traditional classroom instruction. In particular, assessments in online and blended environments present teachers and learners with new ways to chart student growth and demonstrate mastery. This module will highlight several differences and similarities between online, blended, and face-to-face assessment strategies, as well as demonstrate a variety of tools that can be used for delivering effective formative and summative assessments. This module will introduce you to the 4 roles the online blended teacher must understand in order to successfully coach students in an online environment: the instructor, social director, program manager, and technical assistant. In this module, you will become familiar with these 4 roles and develop a plan to gain or strengthen your skills. The online syllabus is the foundation for your online or blended course. The syllabus is a roadmap for student success. It provides students with course and technical information, and in this module, you will develop a syllabus for your online or blended course. In the final module, we will look back at what we've learned in the preceding 7 modules. You will have an opportunity to assess your readiness for quality online teaching. You will reflect on your areas of strength and areas for growth relative to the INACOL standards for quality online teaching. We will review the requirements for the Leading Edge certification portfolio and procedures for creating, revising, and submitting your completed portfolio. In the final week of the course, you will have time to finalize your e-portfolio for the submission. If you do not meet the criteria, you will have the opportunity to resubmit. Good luck with the course, and I look forward to seeing you in the synchronous sessions.